Yes, free laundry service here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Hello guys. So very quickly, if you are living in Newport, the surrounding areas that's been affected by the hurricane and storms and all that, it's amazing laundromat here in Gatlinburg, right on Highway 321, across the street from the bank. I will show you in a moment. If you have laundry that needs to be taken care of, bring it here. It will be free. They will give you, you can use the washer and dryer if you don't have any laundry detergent, fabric softener, etc. They will give it to you. All right, so please, if you need it, don't be ashamed. Come down here, surrounding areas. If you know anyone that could benefit from this, please share the channel. If not, just tell them that here in Gatlinburg, you can get everything taken care of. I think it's amazing. The lady that runs it told me that. Thank goodness I came here because she told me she wanted to get a hold of me, but she didn't have my number. So, and here we are. So, bravo for that. So, again, we're on Highway 321, right next to Domino's, across the street from First Horizon Bank. Newport, Tennessee is this way, about 30 miles out. Downtown Gatlinburg is about 3 miles out this way. So trying to do this as fast as I can before all the traffic crazy. So once again, we are Gatlinburg. Boom. They will help you out with your laundry. I will put the links in the description. Prayers to everybody affected by this. You guys will get through it. You got this. Be safe. Let anyone know that needs help with their laundry to come here in Gatlinburg. Once again, there's the location. Be safe. Prayer to everybody. That is why we are the volunteer state. And I will see you later. Be safe. Bye, guys. It's a lot busier than it normally is, which is understandable, but yes, if you need help with your laundry, what they do is, like I said, if you need detergent, they've got plenty of detergent. You don't need anything. You need fabric softener, they've got it. You don't have to bring anything. You don't have to bring anything.